Morning, Steve Ray in Chicago with the morning grain comments. Well, it's USDA report today, and the USDA will give us an update on what farmers plant this year by acres. It won't include any adjustment based on the wet conditions across the Midwest. And they'll also give us some stocks numbers. Just to give you a little bit of history of the last 14 years in the stocks, the wheat and the soybeans, USDA has actually been above the average trade guess 6 times and below it 8 times. In the beans, they've been above the average trade guess 9 times and below 5 times. As far as acres are concerned, for the most part, both in corn and beans, USDA has come out a little bit below the average corn and soybean acreage number. For wheat, it's pretty much split, 7 times above, 7 times below as far as the acres go. So we'll see what they say at 11 o'clock, and we'll be a lot smarter then than we are right now. We also note that the Asian stock market and our stock market's going to open a little bit better. The talks in China, between U.S. and China as far as trade issues are concerned, they came out and said that the talks were positive. Grains really aren't trading that news this morning, but the Chinese come in next week, and we'll see if we can have any closer conclusion to these trade talks. There was talks yesterday that China bought as much as 1.5 million tons of U.S. beans for the last half July-August timeframe, and there were rumors that corn and pork could be next. But again, those markets really didn't trade that news. It seems like the ones that are trading right now want to see something in print and actually see some actual buying, just like they would see wet weather actually continuing and actually delay plantings of the corn before they trade that. We also note that as far as the weather is concerned, we'll probably have some showers over the next few days across parts of the Midwest. Then late next week, we'll probably get some rain, and that could slow plantings down. But overall, I would guess winter wheat crop conditions will remain mostly favorable. And as far as the month is concerned, for month of March, wheat prices are up about a penny. Corn's up 3 cents and beans are down 20 cents. For the year, since this is the end of the first quarter, wheat prices are down 40 cents, corn's down only 2 cents, and wheat's up only 8 cents. So you can see how those markets have been relatively quiet over the first 3 months. And I think in general, markets are going to stay choppy and quiet until we have a deal, until we know exactly what the money flow is going to be following the deal, what the world economy is going to do. Today is a big day in the UK with a Brexit vote. Most people think that will fail and could drop not only UK but European economy into a recession mode, and that could leak into the United States. So we're kind of watching all those things pretty closely. As always, these are my thoughts and not those of ADM or ADM Investor Services. Have a safe and profitable trading day.